Patrick, yeah. Oh, we love chips.
God bless you. Who is to provide this? God bless.
Anthony.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother.
Oh, thank you very much.
No problem. Merry Christmas, Pat. Moon, under you. Under you. Chips of it.
Oh, yes, it's only love. Keep the dreams deep alive. Yes, it's only love.
Yeah.
Only love. Yes, it's only love. Only love. Only love. Only love. Only love. Only love. Yes, it's only love. Never alive. Yes, it's only love. Keep the dreams deep alive. Yes, it's only love. Alive. Miss TV now. Baby, just I saw King and love. Love, I said it's only love.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Listen, today I'm in halfway tree, getting some plates. Today we're cooking some food for the elderlies today. Yeah, so today we're cooking for the elderlies in Trenchtown today, and we have to give thanks to Anthony. We have to give thanks to Anthony from the USA, you know, that provided the meal today for the less fortunate, the elders them in Trenchtown today. So today we are in Trenchtown, you know, cooking for the elders. So yes guys, so it's quite busy today, seeing we in halfway tree. You know, it goes already. Even the car parks are full. They're so full, but you know, I got what I came for. You know, I get some plates and some fork. So the guys them down there start cook already. So I'm just going there down to prepare everything to start them out today for the elders them. So yeah man, so Anthony, big up yourself and thank you so much, you know, for looking out for the elders them once more again in Trenchtown. You know, it means a lot to thank you so much, you know, for helping out the needy in Trenchtown, you know. It's been a while, so thank you so much guys. Herbal man. All is well?
Yeah, every time.
It's been a while.
So I want long time.
Yeah, pass through, man.
You pass through like that. What time you see a road to me now?
Yeah, man. Still do your herbs and see
yeah, man, I'm not left, man.
Original herbal, man.
What time you see a road to me, huh?
Yeah?
What time you see a road to me?
Yeah, man.
Original herb.
Show them herbs.
Yeah, man.
The original herb, man, you know, I featured him already on Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
And he's still here doing the herbs, them. Because some tell what going with the herbs, them. The healing of the nation. So it's not only Snagger, a herbal man, so this is the bushman. All the bush them right here, so they're good for all the bodies. All
the church. Seriously, dandelion, Medina, Trangback, Buckleborn, all of it.
So what do you do with the peanut trash?
Into your nerves.
The peanut trash?
Yeah.
When you boil it?
Yeah, energy. Peanut trash, yeah, energy.
Yeah, so when you boil it?
Yeah, you boil in the roots, and you can boil like porridge. And you can boil like tea.
Peanut?
Yeah.
Red peanut them we eat?
Medina, Trangback, honey juice. You can have honey.
So what is this?
Yeah, eye drops.
Eye drops?
Yeah, eye wash.
So the eye wash. We use it for wash your eye.
Yeah. Drop in your eye, clean your eye.
Clean your eye.
Yeah.
So eye drops you call this?
Yeah, they call it chin chin.
Chin chin.
Yeah. And some people call it donkey pee-pee.
Donkey pee-pee.
Yeah.
So where you get this so big?
Up in the hills.
In the hills?
Yeah.
You drop one there.
And the wedding, people know it. People get to recognize it, yeah?
Oh, so people know it. At the first me I see that one, yeah.
Bad man. Carry water like.
Carry water inside of it.
It's easy, you brush it like this. Yeah?
Oh. Okay, so you just put that in your eye.
Yeah, wash your eye. Anything in your eye, take out anything in your eye. Then get to understand and know about it, yeah?
And of course, me I see it still. So, like what type of eye problem it good for?
Yeah, cataract.
Cataract?
Yeah, bad eye. Some people have an eye, them can't see so good clearance. Yeah, clearance in your eye.
So I know one lady where she can't see so clear as well. So.
Yeah, clearance in here.
So I hope she watch this video and she go and try to check it out. With name Donkey Pee-pee, you say?
Yeah.
Or
Chin chin.
Chin Chin.
Yeah. Original eye drops are for the natural tree. The original. Right here.
You don't know about that, my general?
Yes,
Yeah.
man.
So good then.
Good man.
Then you just wash it, you squeeze it in the eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what else was here? What them bush are
We
one?
have the single bag, we have changback, medina, guava, tuna, snakehead leaf, dark blood, bitter lemon, cinnamon leaf,
Ah, this is just
single bible, changback, medina, all of them, tropical, dandelion, root, and we have the old man beard.
old man beard.
Yeah.
So what is good for?
With the prostate and sugar arthritis.
So how many people you ever heal using them stuff?
Yeah, no people it helps still, yeah.
No people.
Yeah, I have a tool of your ear and
So that means that you well healthy then.
no man, cause I have to boil it, juice and drink here.
Yeah, so Jamaica is full of the natural medicine and the meringue. I always eat that on a daily basis, we eat the meringue still. So you know,
You got the thing on the new year, yeah?
yeah man, so
You
people
get
say,
some buyer.
so people as we say,
Yeah.
it's not the first of item time ago, probably about what, 2 years ago?
Yeah.
About 2 years ago. And he's right across from the York Pharmacy. And he's right at the gate at the Clock Tower Plaza, you know, so this is where it is, at the Clock Tower Plaza, right at the gate, at the Clock Tower Plaza. So just in case if anybody want to ask any information or want to call you for some herbs, just
You give them
tell them the number.
You give them 898 898 32 35.
So it's
898
yeah,
32 35 32.
So it's-
898
yeah.
35 32.
Okay, so it's 876
Yeah.
898.
Yeah. Now, now we'll call it 876.
No, I'm calling 876.
Yeah, here a code.
876.
898 35 32 is my number.
Okay, so but they give them the area code as well. So the area code, can remember them call it from overseas.
Yeah.
So you have to give them the
Yeah, give them a
187.
pocket.
Yeah, so it's 1876 898. Give them the rest.
35 32.
35 32. And this is the herbal man here up by the clock tower. By the clock tower plaza.
No,
Yeah.
we don't have the stick or the leaf.
That better, you know.
And I'm the seed.
No, we have the leaf.
But the stick better. The stick better. That's
The
better.
leaf strong, yeah. Pour.
You know?
I have the noni juice.
And the noon. So what the noon is good for?
Noni juice good for your nerve, your energy.
So
Pick up your sperm pump, build up your back.
okay. So for
Lick
people
the
with
pain out their joint.
so people with nerves problem,
Them can drink the noni juice.
and you have a lot of people have a lot of long-lasting headache as well too, for days.
We have the changback, the medina, dark blood, vervine, all of them.
Okay.
Yeah?
And which is the vervine?
And we have the bitters,
Okay. So which is the
and the
vervine?
cleanser. Yeah?
Which is the vervine?
Vervine, they are more than
Oh, you didn't have any now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spirulina wine and everything.
Spirulina wine.
Yeah.
So what is spirulina good for now? Tell them.
Spirulina good for your cock, yeah? Build up the sperm count, then have to take no Polygram.
No Viagra.
No Polygram, real herb.
Natural herb.
Spirulina.
Yeah.
Strong back, Medina, everything.
Everything.
Duffy gun, everything in it.
Alright guys, I would say if you don't want any further information or anyone buy anything that's on the need of, the contact number is there and you can contact him, you know, and give him a call, get all the information. You're on WhatsApp, right?
Yeah.
You can get you on WhatsApp. Alright, there's a people who can contact him, you will see the number.
Call me straight.
I can call him straight same way. So give him a support. If you have any information, if you're feeling sick, if any type of way, he can recommend.
See how you feel, yeah?
Yeah, so he can recommend the bush.
Gas and them thing there.
Yeah.
Cold gas, bad stomach, all of them, yeah?
You have the remedy for it, right?
Remedy.
So just give him a call. Right, give him a call. Alright then, Herbal Man, big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes guys, so it's not the first I've highlighted him, you know, it's been a while and he got a lot of support the last time I was working, so if you know one, you can give him a call, you know, give him a call and just check it out. If you're in need of any help, you know, he can help a situation. Alright, listen gentlemen, ready, yeah? Yeah. You think me attack you, say? Alright. Yes guys, so I'm gonna be heading to Trenchtown now, you know, to do the work. You know, it goes already. So the elders them is waiting, the pot down there is boiling, the chicken is frying, everything, and the pea is supposed to be ready. So let's go. Hello.
One brother, shaken.
Bless you, Lord. Bless you. Ah, bless you. Yeah.
Me drive, but one of my cousins.
Oh, it's right. This is called the pathway, you know, leading to 3rd Street.
This is 3rd Street. Come
Yeah.
to come around here all the time to one lady when you miss someone live right there, so Cedric and there. But they must get big.
Okay, yeah.
They get big now and their mother get old. Okay, she's still alive. The man is dead.
Yes, well guys, so
Yeah, because this one and this
Just-
son is married. So yeah.
just reaching back here. Oh yeah, you too as well.
Yeah.
What is a GoPro? How much is this?
5, 6.
6. Long time one.
Yeah, that's like that.
This one have 8 you know, for me to carry. You watch the mango actually every day.
And the other
Every
guy,
day.
Christmas.
Christmas list.
Yes.
Okay. Christmas. So now husband and wife?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are your name? Never catch your name.
Eastern.
Eastern. Oh, you are Eastern and
Me and Marjorie.
Marjorie. Yeah, man.
Otherwise,
But they call me Shamu.
Charmian. Okay, so you
Yeah,
say,
Junior, you say Charmian.
oh, so you say you grew up in Trenchtown.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Long
man.
time.
Long time.
Like how much years ago you leave Trenchtown now?
Boy, I
many?
think about 24.
24 years.
About that.
But that's the last time you leave Trenchtown?
No, sir.
Oh.
I come all the while.
Okay, okay.
I come all the while.
Oh, so you come and go over by okay, by Fifth
Because I'm the
Street.
brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother and sister. Same mother but different man.
You never see me in my outwear.
Yes, I saw you.
Oh. Hello. Thank you.
They all watch ski, you know?
Yes. Want another suit?
Sometimes we dey end up and we dey off and so we just kick back and just watch you.
Oh, you true. Thank you so
I
much.
stump on the veranda a while ago. I you me did that watch you.
I remember she was buying me the nice suit. Hello. You see how you do? There's a round too. Hello. Oi, hello everybody. See you. I not say nothing. I not say nothing. Yes, sir. So, what one? I'm trying another one today, eh? Nah, pressure, yeah, my friend. But nobody thinks that you're rich.
You used to hairdressing now. You used to have a hairdressing friend down on the road there. You used to go and check her all the while.
Which one? Mitzi?
You remember Carter?
Long time. Needle. A needle.
We used to do hairdressing. So we used to go and check her.
A needle man. If I need a Mitzi. Yes, guys.
So we in chair guy we used to see him there. We're going to understand. You know that guy?
Jinjin.
So anyway,
The first one we do? Wheelchair.
Yeah, the guy did in the wheelchair.
And for the first one we do? There. Me for Jinjin at the first one, right?
I don't know if I the first one, but me stay with one guy now who this wheelchair. Like me too. So you did that. Jinjin.
Oh, Jinjin man, a Jinjin man. Yeah, he lives down at the end of the yard there, so. Yeah, down at the end of the yard right there, so.
And the other guy where you help, like something wrong with him and you go visit him and his wife or you did have deal with you.
Oh, something wrong with him?
Yeah, like him have some kind of sick or something. But then me see you again with you, but you either give him some money or something. Or a different video that.
Oh, yeah, there's so much video.
Yeah.
Dream from Dream because you get big.
Big girl.
Dreams. Here we have Frank here from Africa. Yeah.
And him did come with the suitcase.
Yeah.
Yeah, me see him.
See that?
See me watch you, so me know.
So we have light parks over here.
Okay.
We meet light parks and the wow. We can meet the wow. So we have light parks. Today we're cooking for the elders them.
Yes.
Yeah, here in Trenchtown. So
Yes.
we have light parks. Light parks meet Eastern and his wife.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have a wow chef. Wow! Now.
People see this morning somebody at them say them they have to see them and them and say them come and check. Yes, that's what
Yeah. Yes. And we have the wow chef. Wow. The wow, yeah, the wow, yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's what we're there, man. We're there. No flop.
Yeah, and a Jamaican Girl TV.
Okay. Jamaican Girl TV.
Jamaican Girls TV.
Yeah.
Yes.
Jamaican Girls TV.
Yeah.
Yes.
Girls them there. They alone there.
She alone there.
Yes, but that's man, you know.
No, there.
Twice, man, you know.
She come from Trenchtown, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Live our church.
The man, the juice man, I bred up on 5th Street.
Yeah.
Junior.
Oh, the big man there. Yeah. Big guy auntie. Big guy nephew, I'm say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So,
What a big play football?
yeah, big guy play for
Okay. See there.
See?
No, we know.
Yeah, man.
Smart, right.
Girls, TV. Oh,
Yeah.
You know, come from the ends and be a man from the ends and girls, you know. Bring enough girls, you know.
But
Yeah, man.
we bring the girls them come. So we there and we have
They're genius, I go and hold it, you see?
yeah, today. So today we're there here. Alright, so today we're preparing light parks.
Yeah.
And fry.
Yeah, done for the chicken already.
Well, the chicken and fry up and thing. That is it.
Nice.
You know, man.
Chicken and fry up and thing.
That's the
Man.
rice outside, done cook already. And big shell gravy there, that's how it.
Alright, so now we're preparing for the Ellas. Dream.
You know, we have
Dream. She get big, because she get big and fierce, eh? She will cuss you, you know, and trace you. Come here.
I said, you want to say something now?
Yeah, say something. Stop show up.
Stop show up and
Stop
say
show
something.
up. Tell the camera.
Say something, Dream. Say something. What you say?
Last night she tell me she got beat
Yeah, the
me.
Dream, you beat you know?
Yeah, and tell me she got bust my head.
Eh?
Yeah.
Bust the man head for.
That's what she tell me last
Come on,
night.
put this,
One
come
month
on.
per war me and I have last
down.
night. Tell me she got
Put
bust
them
my head.
Get up, put him
Yeah, fierce. Terrible. Well, terrible dream. Yeah man, so this is the headquarters, you know, where we hang out and do everything.
Nice place, man.
Oh, hello.
Hey, oh my God.
Jamaican girl.
AKA dog whisper.
Yeah, the dog
Yeah,
whisper.
dog whisper. Okay.
That's the way dog talk. When them say, that means I'm hungry. When them say, glad to see you.
Even though Max,
I'm so happy to see you.
even though Max passed away.
Yeah, Max away, yeah.
Them take,
Welcome there.
yeah. You know, Max died. As you can see, the police drive and lick him. Poor Max gone.
So I was kind of the lady where you used to help me, Joy, where you said die. Pass away.
Yeah, that's all the way 2nd Street, up by the top. You know, 2nd Street, you go all the way around like that. So up there if you live up by the top, Joy. And that red house, the house at the corner when they go in the yard, that's where Jinjin, guy in the wheelchair. Cool, no? Yeah. And the house we do, Miss Dana, run at the back of the yard around there, so. So everything is in the
area.
Yeah. And it's surrounding. Yeah. It's early time now. So you know most people not active yet.
Yes.
Even in the evening, you see everybody start to push out.
Everybody start.
Yeah.
When me run here, me used to love the evening.
Yeah, when everybody come
all
on.
of the happenings, gone at the evening. That's what me did do.
Yeah, man, when it's so early now, everybody stay away from the sun.
Yeah.
It's only the kids them, as I see the kids them can manage the sun.
Yeah, then can manage.
Nah, man, the adults them no come out when the sun cool down.
Cool down.
Yeah, man. So trust me, the sun hot. And look upon them. So we used to do it as a younger one.
Yeah, man.
We have Psalms there. Psalms there. Name of Psalms, a baby son.
Yeah.
And see a prefect there.
Prefect, yeah, me know the name prefect.
Yeah, do some work.
Prefect, go on. Hello.
Yes.
Jamaican girl. So where your YouTube name? You have your one YouTube name for yourself.
It's a Jamaican Girl TV. No, you are married.
I'm my part.
Oh.
That's your part.
So now you have 2 YouTube channels then?
No, not really. No, you see.
Him want me if you do it.
Yeah. So now one link, man. Jamaican Girls TV. You know, I might go on with the video and I go on with the thing, people.
Line up our man, you don't know.
Yeah.
He say, that me want you to do, you know.
Yeah.
That me want you to do. Me say, alright.
So he's the video director.
Yes.
So he's the director.
Right.
Video director.
Hello, then. paint up on.
And change up.
Change up.
And the place is changed up
Yeah,
and everything, you know.
change up since we used to come down. Used to have friend man come and do the hairdressing and stuff like that. So me have lot of friends. But then they start to the igloring thing.
Oh, okay.
So every morning, watch me could have walk go down, down. So back then days me could have walk. So me walk gone.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
man,
that's
I'm
wow.
sell everything. Everything when me go to sell myself.
Oh, yeah, me see it out. Alright then, so hold on there. Yeah. This is a Rasta Jack, so come meet. Come you know.
Jamaican girl Eve.
And the movie star.
Yeah, we start.
Mrs. Easton. That is Easton.
Okay, and enough, but you can do
So,
something. But I don't really know everything
this
that
is
you do.
central. So you want to buy drinks for the guys them to
Yes,
have a,
yes.
yes. So you go buy some drinks, light parks. We'll buy some juice for the team. Them to that. So we get I get a red and a white. Get a red and a white then. And quarter white and a quarter red. And 6 boom for this time. I mean Esther changes and see.
Yes, it's only love.
Esther, I call her now. So get 1 red, 1 white.
Yes, it's only
And 6
love.
boom.
Nothing else but love. Yes, it's only love. Ooh. I said it's only love. Drinking, keep on moving. Yes, it's only love. Keep alive. Yes, it's only love. Keep alive. Yes, it's only love. Miss TV alive. Yes, it's only love.
Yeah.
Yes, it's only love. Yes, it's only love. Drinking alive. Yes, it's only love. Keep on giving love alive. It's only love. Keep worship alive. Yes, it's only love. Yeah, I said it's only love. Keep giving you love. Yes, it's only love. Keep the dream team alive. Yes, it's only love. Yes, it's only love. Keep the dream team alive. Yes, it's only love. Keep moving your life. Yes, it's only love. Only love. Only love. Only love. Only love. Only love. Yes, it's only love. Forever alive. Yes, it's only love. Keep the dream team alive. Yes, it's only love. Alive. Miss TV now. Even just I saw Kina now. Love. I said it's only love. Keep the movie alive. Yes, it's only love. Yes, it's only love. Keep the dream alive. Yes, it's only love. I just move in the life. Yes, it's only love.
What is you there? Who yes? Who yes? Yes. Come on, Sasa. Come on, Sasa. Come on, Sasa. That Shirada. Come on, Sasa. That Shirada. Come on, love.
Oh, that's bad. No wonder bad.
Yeah, baby there. Yeah, baby there.
Oh, hi, baby. How are you? I'm fine.
Easton. Where am I? In the kitchen. So where am I rolling in? Yeah. So baby join the girls TV. So we have more girls for the TV. We have the girls TV.
Yes.
It's been a while we don't see where am I. So where am I? Him just come out for the work. Go. We gotta run out of the kitchen.
No man, everything done man. Everything done. Yeah, the grave that I cook them rice. That's the mixed vegetable and the thing them there.
Yeah, going now.
We got him from, man.
Yes, yeah.
Keep me alive. See the one I go.
Yeah. Let's say running back out. I have to say yo. Yeah.
Look at them say on the down.
Yeah. The guys, it's just the work about worm. You cannot see worm, you know.
Every day. Every day.
And that man tell you.
Yes, the work I have to put in.
Man. I want love see me, man. Nothing change, man.
Worm, see me, man. Active, see me. So worm, you meet the African Frankie from Ghana.
Big up.
From Ghana here in Africans Unite. So worm running back. Us in the uptown kitchen. Out there in the dream team kitchen. Here I'm all chef. Yes, worm, I come now. You can leave out. I cut. No, you can't cut. You have to stay now.
Now rice, I want to start steam. I want to mix vegetable and.
Can pop it. I want to thank Tita. We thank them just to come. We thank them.
Yes, thank them.
Come, we thank them. Come, we thank them so much for the drinks, for the TV, you know. See it there?
Yes.
Jamaican Girls TV and Easter, we thank them so much for the drinks, for the Jamaican Girls TV.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Jamaican Girls TV. Thank you.
For the Christmas drinks.
Yes. Give thanks and the time.
They're coming out far. Let's come out.
Philadelphia. Alright, yeah man, so I'm going to pass through and come over there, definitely.
Room, house and nothing, man.
Yeah? Alright then. So. Alright then. Go!
So my room, they put on already?
Yeah man. Yeah man, bust it man.
Leave the key.
No man, you have to flash it man. Alright. Alright, you have to bless them in the name of Jesus. Bless them. Come Frankie. Hey, Rafi. That is it. Bless the shop. Rest in peace, Max. R.I.P. Max Soul. Remy, bless your soul. Blessing, blessing, blessing. That is it. No, you have to bless it. Here you go, guys. That is it. What's going on here, sir? Sherry Clark. You coach him? Oh yeah, now it's Soccer. Why are you looking tired? Fitness are going. Sherika giving the fitness. Take it on your knee, boy. Take it on your knee. Hey. You're getting fit. Yes guys, so I want to thank Anthony for providing the meal today. You know, I want to thank you so much, Anthony, for providing the meal today for the elders them here in Churnstown. You know, it means a lot to them. You know, we thank you so much. You know, Anthony, pick up yourself. Anthony, whoa, come thank Anthony. Jackson, thank Anthony.
Thanks for the
thank Anthony for providing the meal for the elders them today.
Anthony, yes, we give thanks and praise for everything you provide. We thank you for the things that you provide, and God bless you. Also for your guide, you protect you every time. We appreciate it, Dream Team. They are Kino, they are Miss TV there, and one
Eastern there.
Jamaican TV there. We thank you very much for everything what you provide. Rastafari love.
Yeah, man, Anthony, enough blessing, enough love, you know.
Love every time for you,
Anthony. Yeah, man. Well, Anthony, holy for blessing in the New Year's, yeah, man. The New Year's come catch you, I do something good. You see me? And I like to sit back and I do nothing for the New Year. I do something good. I say, Anthony, holy for love, holy for blessing. Merry Christmas and a happy New Year.
Every time, your Christmas gone already. Extended family. And so Pablo, I thought, so when I be a Pablo, we can't live without the extended family. Pablo,
extended family, Pablo. Yeah, man, that's
more than love,
yeah, man, holy for love, you know.
Be a love,
Nice, this is
Tina there and the Dream Team said we along with Miss TV. Jamaican Girls TV.
Jamaican Girls TV, enough love, holy for respect, you know. Big up love, you know.
Along with Eastern. He's here with us too.
In the west side.
Yeah, be a love.
I'm going to give him a Christmas carol, you know. Christmas carol,
we can't do no Christmas carol. Joy to the world, our King was born in Africa. La 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 la, cha la 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 la, cha la 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 la. He's the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. He's the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. He's the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. He's the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. The conqueror Lion of Judah. The conqueror Lion of Judah. Hallelujah. Come on, fly to the world. Our King was born in Africa. Joy to the world, our King was born in Africa. Why?
Oi, Rasta Jackson. Africa, oh God. Africa. Yeah, man. Hello. How you doing?
Remember the name? She said, Daddy, where is the program name again?
Yeah. La. The King was born. Yes, Anthony. So give thanks, Anthony. We thank you so much as I can see. The pot, the rice cooking down. You know, the gravy is gonna make now. The rice and peas. Pot hot. Them say when you're teeth in, make sure say you don't touch the pot cover. Ooh. Hot and ready. Hey. Remember when time you young, yeah? And you try to take up the food out of the pot. And you go hold the pot cover and you know say it's so hot. And you have to hold it and bite your lip so you know feel it, you know. So hey, that's what happened just now. You know.
Yeah, man, Anthony.
Anthony,
you say big up and more love, man.
One Anthony, man.
We appreciate it every time, man.
Straight
big
love,
up yourself again, man. And your
We
family.
give thanks so you do, man.
Food
Everything,
basket
man.
can't empty.
Yeah, man.
More love, man. See it there?
Yeah, man. One dream team, man.
Yeah, man. One love, man.
That is it.
Yeah,
That is
man.
it. So we're looking out for the elders then today. Whoa,
with the rice and peas.
Esther, come meet Jamaican Girls TV.
Jamaican girl.
Yes. Eastern. Jamaican Girls TV. Esther. So we have Esther here. Alright, take care, yeah? Josh, you going up the road?
Yeah.
Alright, Josh is going to walk on with them. Go up the road. They might go on 4th Street, they might go back to
You're Junior.
a junior sister.
Yeah, guys, yeah,
We know them.
yeah, guys, they're Junior.
Oh, they, him know you know, so I do that.
Alright.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright then, take care, yeah?
Let's see again. Got me to do something for you.
Look.
Oh, look here.
Liquor. When we come get you, Sunday or Monday?
Monday.
Alright. Monday, yeah.
Oh, yeah, them shower.
Six boom. That's it. Remember, 361 support them. 61 support.
So yes, so this is the mixed vegetable going in. You know, so you go boil the mixed vegetable here. So put it on the meal for the elders then. So they'll be eating nice today. Today. So we'll give thanks to Anthony. We'll thank you so much again once more for looking out for the elders. Anthony, big up yourself and thank you so much. mixed vegetable gone in. I know it goes already when the mixed vegetable gone in. So yes guys, so yeah man, vegetable all mixed. There's mixed vegetable in there for you. Right? Oh, it's going good. It's going good. It has simmered down. Big up yourself, Anthony. You know, so we're gonna be ready early today so we can go and deliver it, you know, sooner before we get later. So thank you so much. So they are in Trench Town. It goes already. We're gonna need some vitals through. Yeah. Oh, so we have some stew down for the gravy. So you know, Jamaican style, yeah? When they making the gravy, they put the chicken inside of it to make some gravy. Stir it over so hard. So this is what they put on the gravy with the chicken inside of it. They call it home style.
Yeah, home style. Home style chicken.
Home style chicken.
This is the home style chicken.
Well, homie. For the homies.
Yes, so all of the elders them.
Nice.
Nice, not them home. The home style.
So we on time today, really on time today. Really on time today. Yeah.
You know, reach out, it's supposed to be done already.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
I'm tell them go buy the plate down for half the place. Busy.
That is it, man.
How many people still a shop? I'm back again. Sister Junie, I'm here again.
Oh my God, what a luck.
Well, what a luck. Well, I'm here again. It's more luck than luck. God is good. Merry Christmas to you again.
Yes.
And a Happy New Year. You know, more love. See the name there, Junie. Sister Junie.
You know, when you come off the machine, you feel nauseous.
Yeah. So I don't want to keep it too long.
Yes.
You know, so guys, you just come off of the dialysis machine. So you know, so when you come out, you're gonna feel a bit weak, you know, nauseous. So I got a donation here for you. So I won't keep it too long. Yeah. From Mary D, you know, from the USA.
Mary D?
And our daughter Janiel.
Oh my God.
So Mary D and Janiel.
Yes.
Yeah, from Florida.
Okay.
Send a donation here for you. Of $11,000.
What?
More blessings, you know.
Yes.
More blessings here. So we have 11,000.
Thank you. Can I come?
Yes, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
From
Thank
Mary
you.
D.
Mary B?
Mary D.
Mary D. Oh, I'm changing the letter.
And Janiel.
And Janiel. Oh, I thank you so much. God bless you. It comes on time.
Yes, sir.
God bless you. God bless you. And your daughter,
Your daughter named Janiel.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. You know, just came off the machine, so kind of nauseous.
Yes. So I'm not going to keep it too long, you know.
Yes, so you know.
So we give thanks. I will thank you, Mary D. And
Yes,
Daniel,
I give
you
so,
know.
oh, God bless you. God bless you, mom and daughter. God bless you.
Yes,
And all these people who giving me this money, you know, I would like to see them and talk with them face to face.
Definitely.
True.
Definitely.
Yeah.
They would come in definitely one day. You'll
Yes,
see them,
may God spare myself and you. That, you know, I can see and talk with you.
Yes.
God bless you.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
So
thank you very much. Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah, I appreciate it so much. Thank you.
Okay,
Yes.
then. So let's have a rest. Yeah, let's go and rest.
Have a
up.
look at rest.
Yes. Yeah, man. So we'll give thanks to Mary D. Thank you so much. And Janiel, we thank you so much. You know, Sister June just come off the machine, so she'll be a bit nauseous, tired, you know. You know, once in there, this machine drains a lot, so she'll be weakened now. So we thank you so much for supporting her. You know, and as my Sister Julie said, it's an on-time God, so she get the money right on time, you know, helping out that situation. So guys, we see you tune. I thank you so much for watching. Alright, you know, sister?
Yes.
Alright. Where's Esther? She got her. So hey, babe. Hey, where's that here? Yeah.
Yeah, backstage. No, I'm access that backstage now. Alright.
Okay.
Large one, eh?
Enjoy Slim. So we're doing it here to help out with the project from Joyce Lynn, from the USA. It's $200 for you from Joyce Lynn from the USA.
Thank you, Jocelyn from the USA. May God bless you and keep you and hope your food basket never empty. One team, dream team. All of my extended family. Happy New Year's when it comes, and also you, Miss Jocelyn. Thank you very much.
So we'll give thanks to Jocelyn from the US. So thank you so much, Blessed Mother Teresa, for this $200 to help out with our project,
Yeah, and we receive well. Cause anytime you get anything, I try to do something, but I take it and do something else. Cause sometimes you don't know who giving it to you, whether a blind, a deaf, a dumb, or a cripple. So you have to appreciate it and show back the greatness, what they have done for you. So you have to give them it back.
Yeah. So we'll give thanks. So thank you so much, Jocelyn from the USA. Thank you so much for blessing Mother Teresa. To helping out on our project, because I can see the situation, how everything is going. So we thank you so much, Jocelyn, for blessing her. God bless you. Hi, Dad. From
You say, we'll tell you. You say Kino. It's a for him. Dream team. Look at Hallelujah. It's a
natural.
Mother team. Calico.
Okay, yeah. Stacy. Here we have a bag here for Hallelujah. Little Hallelujah. That is for you. It's from Sister Sandra. So tell Sandra, thank you, Sandra.
Say thank you.
Sandra. Say, think about this. You now get it.
Yeah. Say thank you.
Thank you, Sandra.
Thank you, Sandra.
Oh. You talk so low. Say it louder. Say thank you, Sandra.
Thank you, Sandra.
Okay. You always talk loud when you're not on camera. So here you go. From Sandra from New York. There's Sandra from New York. Tongues.
Thanks and bless up yourself.
Sandra.
Sandra. Sandra. Big up on yourself. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Sandra.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes, sir. Natural, so I have a package here for you.
But it's ice cream.
No, it's a natural dream team.
Oh, dream team. Oh, I'm taking ice cream.
From Sandra.
I got ice cream from my mind.
She sell ice cream.
She sell ice cream?
Yeah. Sandra
we never look good.
Yeah. So that's Sandra from New York.
Oh, Sandra from New York. Thank you very much, Sandra. Well appreciate the gift to the Christmas, The New Year not falling yet, but when the New Year come, Happy New Year and all the best.
enjoy the Christmas. Thank you very much, Sandra. Sandra. I wish I show. Dream, you're driving. Alright. Mother Teresa. Oh, she not here. This is for you from Sandra.
Thank you, Sandra.
From
New
New York.
York. New York. Thank you very much. I don't know what is in there, but I thank you and I love you. God bless you.
Listen, who give them food there? I'm telling them right there. I'm sure say what they say. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 of them. Pat, that lady there. 3 of them. Yeah, thank you so much, Sandra. I want to thank you so much for my. I'm not talk what's in their bag, but it seems like a cup. Yeah, thank you so much, Sandra. It's a blessing. Thank you. I'm going to enjoy it with a cup of tea with coffee inside of it. I drink coffee. Straight bush. Take out 3 water there, Esther. So thank you, Sandra from New York. Take out 3 water, Esther. Take out Patrick, yeah. Oh, we have chips.
God bless you. Who is to provide this? God bless.
Anthony.
Thank you, very much. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much.
No problem. Merry Christmas, Pat. Moon, under age. Under age. Chips over there. Yeah. Just stay over there. No, we'll go Gloria. Gloria with that, yeah. Alright. Now we cook a KFC. A KFC cook. Governor. One governor. Could never be a other governor. Ain't no governor, shop coverer. Yeah, man, can get him, man. Yes. Yeah, man. Happy New Year. All right, Governor.
Bless it.
All right. Bless it. And that door there.
Give me Mr. Winstead one pack.
Thank you very much, son. Yeah. Alright. Oh, the fact they find it already. Oh. It's the water. I'm sorry.
Janet!
Where is it now?
Janet!
God, man. Yeah, thanks. Thank you very much.
Alright then. Oh.
Never gone. She gone.
So come.
She gone. She thinks she back up on the road. That's she gone?
So she missed the ship.
See, she gone.
So thank you. So tell your friend she missed the ship, right? Seal gone left her.
Next elder trip.
Yeah. Seal gone left her.
Bye.
Yeah, Juan, Mr. Mark, Thumper. Yeah. Need one more. Liquor, come in. Let's take up 2. Yeah. And 2 water. Come. That's it. So Mr. Mark, yeah? Senior citizen.
So, what for the senior citizen?
Yeah, senior citizen.
Appreciate it.
Yes, thank you.
Well, thanks for the dream team. My name is Sam as a senior citizen. Respect for the man who control the team and us know say we are dealing with peace and love and happiness. And may the good Lord bless all the people who in the dream team. And of knowing for so much and of take care of yourself and do what you have to do. Don't follow nigger. Take care of yourself, family.
Bobby, where are you with big board?
I beat them up.
And the coffee there.
Start.
Thank you, bro.
We'll go back to one more. Yeah.
Yeah,
Joan. Joan over there, right? Joan over there.
Yeah, support.
Look, it's a Joan, yeah.
David, to call up some cement there.
You know, I'm going to put me and charge you.
Thanks, Peter.
Shall I want a phone? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. You see me send some of it?
Yeah.
Have a phone, no?
Yeah, so we get 7, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Send them it. 1 year challenge we have back, is it?
Yes. Happy New Year, same.
Yeah, man.
A circle for 2 jelly.
Alright. Let's send it at that.
Alright.
Yo, the white man coming this morning. I see him drink some liquor. One thing I had more that boy I came up and the man to the first jelly.
Yeah.
Man say 1, 3 more. Like 4. The man drink it and eat the meat.
Feel good.
The man said the 4th thing get
so sweet.
Nah, tell the man.
Alright, come to
he said it's something. Have him out and the liquor have him out and find drink the jelly alright.
Alright.
Yeah man, me there man. Right. Yeah man, yeah.
Frankie? Run out of breath.
Run out of breath.
You want
Jimmy, I'm buying ice cream from Adelaide, Jimmy.
Yeah, man. One it. Yeah, man. What's the man? Yeah, man. See the one it.
Yeah.
One family, no, I'm
brother.
Yeah, man, see that one this. I'm a charge, you know. I'm a charge, you know.
More life and strength. You hear that, my charge.
Yeah, the music lose them foot in the Gideon,
you know.
Yeah, the Gideon, the music foot in the Gideon, you know.
Yeah, man. Police, you know.
Greatest thing of my life.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, and there I see me up and running, riding bicycle. Furthermore, the best thing about riding bicycle keep fit. You see me, I say, enough love, you know.
You got more love, you know.
Yeah, man, genius, you know. Yeah, man.
How shall look one like that?
Give me some air juice. Hey, give me.
Give me some.
Yeah, grab it some for. Yo, I'll be there. How should that work? Come across the spot. That's sir. How you doing?
Sugar one, say she's sleeping.
Collect that food for her then. Collect that food for her. Take care, Mr. Sir. So I'm going to check for you, right?
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year to you as well. Too. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Wow, all is well? Give little one too. Give little one. A quick process. And give her one. Look, I bring a food for you. Look, and Biggie, you want a photo? Baby, bring one more then. Liquor and Biggie, twins of all twins.
Yeah.
Oh, Biggie. Oh, get water already. Alright then. Alright then, take care.
Yeah, really cool.
Yeah. Alright, yeah? Yeah, man, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. Come see now, babe mother. She running? Butter.
Oh, I really need it.
Oh, go on. Alright, going to Philippines, scan them.
Menda, come.
Eh? Maybe they might come to the yard, that's all. We'll go to them.
Johnny, like when I go. Try like that.
Eh? Yes, sir. Come on, sir. Scanner. Merry Christmas.
Alongside New Year.
Yeah. Put his food for him. Yeah, for outside.
Okay. This child.
But you must let it light in a scanner.
On promise, in plastic TV, I'm going to go big back on the holiday, so I can go on TV, but I can go and enjoy himself.
Okay. Yeah.
I can go and enjoy himself.
Alright.
Thanks so.
Yeah. Philip in there?
Yeah.
Oh. All is well.
Proceed link transfers. Download the app today. Live is better with link.
Let's give me.
Join us again in 3 minutes with the hour for the next update.
Happy New Year, yeah man. Yeah.
Flights. I am Broken Jinx.
Alright, take care, yeah?
Yes, sir. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. Alright, Happy New Year, yeah? Alright. Alright, we're going cool.
I'll go, Mary.
What's another year?
Amigo.
Yeah, there you go, you know. Very good.
Alright then, yeah? Yeah. Don't know. Where your cousin? She in there?
Is grandma in there?
Call her.
Call her for me, please.
Oh no!
Mommy.
She in there?
Mommy. Happy New Year.
Alright, take it. Alright.
Alright, mommy.
Sure? Can go down here, little?
Whoa, General.
One
G.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.